Searching for helpful information on snoring? Look below. Snoring is a common condition that many people suffer from all over the world. Many don't bat an eye at, but perhaps they should. Snoring can be a great indicator of what is going on with your health. The good news is that snoring can be treated or even stopped. Try using this video to find out how. If you have problems with snoring during the colder winter months, consider purchasing a humidifier. If you allow the humidifier to remain on in your bedroom while you sleep, you may notice less snoring. The moisture in the air reduces congestion in your chest and reduces the breathing difficulty that can lead to snoring. If you are a snorer, there's a chance that you are unaware of it. Always take into account your partner, as they probably have to deal with it throughout the night, so don't get angry if they complain about your snoring. This is always a good time to talk to each other and try to figure out a solution. If snoring has become a nighttime concern, then it is time to give dairy products such as milk, yogurt or cheese a miss before you go to sleep each night. This is because the dairy products can cause mucus to build up near your breathing passages, and this will trigger off snoring. In order to cut back on snoring, turn over and sleep on your side, not on your back. If you sleep on your back, especially with only 1 or 2 pillows, mucus can gather in your nasal passages. Sleeping on your side will keep the mucus out of the passages, and you won't have a blockage that will cause snoring. Snoring, while a common affliction, may not just be some noise, it could be an indicator of your health. You should pay attention to it because it could mean something is going on inside of you. Try using the video above to treat or possibly stop your snoring for good. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.